أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Imam Al-Bukhari has recorded this hadith in the book of Al-Adab, chapter What is liked regarding sneezing and what is disliked regarding yawning. Narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah likes sneezing and dislikes yawning. So if someone sneezes and then praises Allah by saying Alhamdulillah, then it is a must, it is obligatory on every Muslim who heard him saying Alhamdulillah, then to reply by saying Yarhamukallah. Yarhamukallah means may Allah be merciful to you. But as regards yawning, about yawning, it is from shaitan. So one must try his best to stop yawning as much as possible. If he says ha, if he is not able to stop yawning and says ha when yawning, shaitan will laugh at him. In another hadith, it said to stop yawning by putting one of the hands, maybe right to left, not both. That's a sunnah. Please read the comment below. Jazakallahu khair.